In this tutorial, we're going to look at the second type of condition-controlled loop called the do-while loop. Now, I've got the code here at lines 13, from 1 to 13. That was from my previous tutorial looking at precondition while loops. So the basic premise here was we ask the user to enter a number. We then check, did the user follow our instructions or not? If they didn't, we're going to tell them they got it wrong. We're going to then repeat lines 3 and 4 and lines 9 and 10, ask them to enter another number. And only when the user follows our instructions and puts a number greater than 50 or higher, then will we output our little message. Well, we can do the exact same thing with a do-while loop, but we actually have slightly less code. This time, before the loop, we've declared our variable number. All good so far. Our processing is what's happening in the loop, and what's happening in the loop is also in lines 4 and 5 picking up the input. And then finally in line 8, we're going to have our final output. So this program is doing the same as our precondition while loop, but we've got a post-condition do-while loop. Why post-condition? Well, the condition, number less than 50, is in the final line of the loop. What that means is when we get to line 3, do, that's simply a signal to the compiler, hey, a loop is coming up. But that's all the compiler knows at that point. We have our prompt, and then we assign the user's data to the variable number. Then and only then do we evaluate the condition. Now that means we can guarantee that lines 4 and 5 here will run at least once. Potentially with our precondition while loop, if the user followed the instructions before the loop began, the statements inside the while loop would never run. But in a do-while loop, because the condition is at the end of the loop, whatever's inside this do-while loop is guaranteed to run at least once.